Okay, we're going to attempt a tandem carry with one wrap. We'll see how McScreamy Pants goes here. He's not a fan of back wrapping. So we'll put it on him. Come on, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whee! Yeah, see, he's already fighting it. Tighten that one, and then I'll tighten the other side. He's still pretty good in there. And then I'm just gonna do so I just did one knot in the back, and then so it's just a simple ruck carry, and then with the straps I'm gonna bring them around to the front. And we're gonna make a seat in the front. With these 2 straps for the next baby. So we just got her, and she's just gonna sit in here. So one leg will go through the bottom there, and then the other leg through the other strap there, and then we find the edge, pull it up. Do you see the airplanes? Put her back. Up. And then the same on the other side. Find that rail. Pull it up. And make sure it's supporting all the way up to her back. And then you can tie these underneath if you want. You can go across, give it a little bit of extra support on the head, and tie it over here. Just make sure it's not too tight on the head. And there we have it.